Hi there, it's Katie with Salty Pearl Crochet, and today I'm going to show you a super simple magic knot join for attaching new yarn in your crochet. So the first thing I'm going to do is put away my yarn needles because we are not using those for this yarn join. In fact, all you're going to need is your yarn and your scissors. So the first thing I'm going to do is take both strands of yarn and cross them like this. And then I am going to tie one strand into just a very little simple knot. Around and then facing out the same way. Now I'm going to take the other yarn and do the same exact thing. Just loop it around and pass it through and tie it tight. So now you've got these two yarn strands and you are just going to pull them taut and tug on them. And the great thing about this is it is not going anywhere unless you are pulling strong enough to physically break your yarn. Now I'm going to take my scissors and just trim them as close as I can get them. And there you have it. This knot looks really great when you use the same color. I like it a lot for garments that aren't worn on your body, such as a blanket or something like that. It's just a really nice way to do that. You can also use this tip to make a magic yarn ball or your magic yarn cake for working with your scraps. It's a great way to make a really pretty scrap cake of yarn, and I have a different video tutorial for that. Thanks so much for watching. Like and subscribe for more crochet tips like this.